What are the services that a general dentist can provide? General dentists can typically provide a multitude of services. They can range from something simple as a cleaning to as complicated as a denture or partial denture. We're going to discuss very lightly some of the typical procedures that most general dentists encounter or perform. The most traditional ones are obviously a cleaning, so you can come and have your teeth cleaned and get your regular checkup. Oftentimes we'll do fillings. Fillings is kind of the bread and butter of a dentist, going in and removing cavities and replacing with different kinds of fillings, such as a tooth-colored filling. We also do things such as root canals, where someone has an infected tooth, we will go do a root canal, and by doing a root canal, we're removing the nerve and the infection out of the tooth. We can also extract teeth, remove them completely, depending on if they're fixable or not. We can also do more fun things that are cosmetic in nature, such as veneers and crowns, things that cosmetically enhance the way teeth look and appear. We can also do full mouth reconstructions with dentures, where someone has no teeth, and we can construct a prosthesis that has a whole new complement of teeth, or we can construct what's called a partial denture, which is an appliance that has only a couple teeth for someone that might be missing only 2 or 3 teeth. We can also do other things such as Invisalign, which are invisible braces. We can do things to treat gum disease. There are all kinds of other surgeries that one can perform to either fix something from a cosmetic standpoint or a functional standpoint. But there are a multitude of services that a dentist can provide, and they differ from dentist to dentist.